What's going on? So today we got a video from New York Detective, and the title of the video is TikTok Lawyer Meets No Nonsense Cop. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually are talking about here.
On May 13th, 2025, an officer conducting patrol observed a vehicle being driven by its registered owner with an expired license and conducted a traffic stop.
Good morning. I'm Officer Benavides with the Atlanta Police Department. Do you have your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance, please?
What is wrong with my tag?
I'm sorry?
What is wrong with my tag?
There's nothing wrong with your tag. May I see your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance, please?
Why do I have to?
I need to see your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance. This is a traffic stop. I need you to identify yourself.
Is that legal?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
I'm sorry, it's because I've been seeing a lot of news on the.
So the reason why I stopped you today is because your license is expired. Let me see your driver's license. Okay. Listen, if you refuse to identify yourself, I will take you to jail for resisting without violence. Either you identify yourself to me right now or I'm taking you to jail. Okay. I go 4-3. Can I get a 45, please? Turn off your car. Turn off your car. Turn off your car. Turn off your car. If you call somebody to come to this traffic stop, they will also get arrested for impeding on a traffic stop. Don't do this.
I'll call my lawyer.
Do not do this right now.
I can call my lawyer.
I need to see your ID. The ID is on the back of your phone. I need to see your driver's license.
Sir, I'm a student. I'm an
I don't care if you're a student. I need to see your driver's license, please. It's on the back of your phone.
It is, but I
Okay, so I need to see your driver's license now, please.
I can call
Okay.
my lawyer,
All right.
right?
Put your hands up here.
No, sir. I haven't.
Put your hands on the steering wheel.
I have my driver's license.
Okay, put your hands on the steering wheel.
I have my driver's
Put your hands on the steering wheel. I'm going to do
haven't
everything
done
for you.
anything wrong.
Hands on the steering wheel.
I haven't done anything
This is
wrong.
the fifth
But
time I
have-
tell you now.
But you have
This
that.
is the fifth time I tell you. Put your hands on your steering wheel or you're going to get dragged out of the car. We can do this a
Sir,
simple way.
Why,
Okay.
What are you doing?
All right.
No, sir, please don't touch me.
Do
I
not do
can't-
this.
I'm just scared. I'm sorry.
I got you. Step out of the car.
I'm just scared.
Step out of
I'm
the car.
scared.
Step out of the car. We will pick everything up here in a second. Put your hands behind your back.
Can I call my lawyer, please? Sir?
Put
I
your
just
hands
have a
put your
baby.
hands behind your
I
back,
just
please.
have a baby. I don't have anything wrong
Can
with
you
my
put your
tag.
hands behind your back?
I can't. This is-
Ma'am, you're making this a lot more difficult than it needs to be.
No, I don't want to make it difficult. I'm just
Well, you're
scared.
making it difficult.
I'm just scared.
I get it.
Can you please pick up my documentation?
Yep.
I haven't done anything wrong, sir.
I got you. So go
I
right
haven't done anything wrong
Right
with my student.
here. I got you.
I have a baby. Sir, I'm sorry. I have my kid.
Okay. So this is a learner's license, first of all.
Okay.
Okay, that's not a driver's license.
Okay.
Second of all, it's expired. Okay, it expired on May 11th, of 2025. Okay. When I asked you for identification, okay,
Okay.
so here
I was
we're gonna
just
do
scared.
this a little easier. We're gonna do this easier.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask you these questions. I need
Okay.
you to say yes or no verbally if you understand them. All right?
Mhm.
Stay against the car.
Mhm.
You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
I do, sir.
Okay. Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
I do, sir.
Okay. You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand?
I do, sir.
Okay. If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one, one will be provided for you before questioning without charge. Do you understand?
I do, and I have a lawyer.
Okay. Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get to talk to me?
You don't let me talk.
I'm gonna
okay.
say this one more time. Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get to talk to me?
Yes, I feel threatened by you.
Okay, so have I threatened you to get to talk to me?
Yes.
I have.
feel
How did I
intimidated.
how did I
I
threaten
just
you?
feel I just feel intimidated because
How did I
I haven't
threaten
done
you?
anything wrong.
Okay.
I don't want to piss you off. I respect
You're not
you.
pissing me off.
Yeah.
I'm not mad at all.
Because I don't feel like you had a reason to stop me.
So the reason why I stopped you is because the registered owner of the vehicle is expired. I confirmed. So
27. Can you here? And then you hadn't seen my driver
5
license yet.
5/11/2025.
Yeah,
You are the registered. You are the registered.
She hasn't complied with anything one time. Not one time has she complied with anything. She's been a headache the whole time. Need your license, registration, proof of insurance. License, registration, proof of insurance. Like, come on here. Turn off the car. Let me get your license. It's behind your, it's in the back of your phone. She digging for her passport. You're digging for a passport. He's asking for your license. People like this annoy the crap out of me. How difficult is it to just follow instructions? Is this a legal traffic stop? Yeah. Your shit is expired. Yeah. Come on. And then you want to play dumb. You want to act like, come on, man. Let's go, man. Let's see what they talking about, man. This is absolutely ridiculous. Can't believe these people. She's freaking brain dead. That's what she is. She's brain dead. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay? I confirmed your identity through the window. I could see you. You match your photo. Okay. And for that reason, you're going to jail for resisting without violence. Okay?
Sir, I'm sorry. I didn't want to resist you.
Too bad.
I was just scared. You just wanted a reason
Go
to
for it.
do
Now
something.
you sorry. I bet. I bet you sorry
Sir,
now.
You shouldn't be doing this.
Face right here.
Sir. Yes,
Face
it's
right
okay,
here,
I can
please.
face, but I'm scared.
Face the inside, please.
I am feeling humiliated by you guys.
No, yeah, we'll probably get it off the road. It's off the road, so.
Sir, I have a baby here. I'm so sorry. I don't feel like I did it. I should have paid more attention.
I already explained to you. I asked you for your driver's license and proof of insurance at least 7 times. You didn't want to provide it.
No, it's not.
I
was
told
just
you to put your hands on the steering wheel. You didn't do that either. I asked you 7 times. Okay?
I apologize.
And I will
sir.
review everything so I get the correct count that I did everything.
Yes, okay.
Your license is expired. You don't even have a driver's license. You have a learner's license. This is a learner's license. Let me read you the back. Just listen to what I have to say. Okay? Daylight driving only after 3 months. You may drive until 10 p.m. with a 21-year-old licensed driver in the closest seat of the driver. So you don't have anybody over the age of 21 inside of the vehicle, okay? And there's no one sitting next to you with a valid driver's license. So not only are you with an expired learner's license, you're also committing a learner's license violation.
I'm sorry. I should have paid attention better on that.
Yes, you should have.
Yes.
And all you had to do was listen to instructions, and you wouldn't have been in this situation.
Okay, I apologize. Yes.
Face the
That's
face
my
the car.
fault. I apologize.
Face the car, please.
I wish I had done more orientation.
Please face the car. Do not turn back.
Says you wanted to keep the car there or what?
We'll keep the car there. It's off the
Can
road.
you please take my ID? I don't want to be talking much, but can you please?
Your
take
ID
it?
is coming with me.
My passport is on
Your
the floor.
passport will come with me as well. Yes.
Okay.
De Fonseca, do you mind grabbing her passport and phone, please? Is there anything else that you want to come with you at the jail?
No, can just someone can I don't know if I can ask this, but my baby is waiting for me. Can someone make a call or something?
Yes, we'll make a phone call. Where's your baby waiting for you?
It's in the daycare. She has asthma, so I was just going around because I need to drop off her pump.
Uh-huh. Who do you
Sir,
need to
I
call?
really apologize.
I got you. You're already under arrest.
It's okay.
Okay.
I know I'm wrong. I apologize.
Okay. So give us a second. She's gonna search you. We'll do this when we get to the jail.
Do you have any drugs or any needles or anything on you that would poke me?
No, I'm just a nursing student here. No, I do not.
It's just a question that is generally asked for everyone before I start patting you down.
So spread your feet for me, please.
I really apologize, sir. I always respect for your profession.
I understand.
I really apologize. I
got
just got scared.
It's okay.
And I wish I was better oriented because I have everything to have the right driver license.
Okay. Just so you know, my instructions were very clear, and I'm not here to confuse anybody.
I know. You were
And
not
for you
doing
not following
anything.
the instructions,
I
that's
am
why.
wrong.
This
I
is
am
what
wrong.
happens.
I've patted you down, so anything that I may have missed, because when you go inside the jail, you do go through a scanner, and if there's anything that's on you, you can be charged again for contraband.
Can I ask you something? Is that gonna be on my records?
Yes.
Is that going to be on my records that I went to jail?
Yes. This is just a charge. It's not a conviction. So you'll still be able to go to court, talk to everything, and you go from there.
I just want to make sure that I can still get through interviews because I'm
Yep.
applying for jobs.
You'll be fine.
Okay, thank you.
Listen, this isn't anything personal, okay? In the scope of my job, if you refuse to identify yourself, especially after multiple times of me asking you for your license, and you went to pull it out and then you stopped, that's resisting without violence, ma'am.
I apologize. It's just that I didn't think I had anything wrong, so I was
And
just not understanding what was
And I was trying to explain it to you, but you kept trying to talk over me and not listen to what I was trying to tell you.
Okay.
I do this whole nice little spiel where I ask for your license, registration, proof of insurance. I tell you what happened and what went wrong, and then we would have gone from there.
Okay.
You refusing to do that, now we're here.
It's okay. I apologize.
It's okay.
My reaction wasn't the best. I was just scared.
Yep, I agree.
There's so many things on social media.
Don't trust everything you see on social media.
Yeah,
Not everybody's the
so
same.
I was just like, I don't think I have anything wrong. What's happening with me specifically, you know?
Mhm.
But then, yes, definitely I'm wrong and I apologize. I didn't mean
I understand.
you know, I
Yep.
don't want to disrespect you guys.
No, like I said, I didn't take any disrespect from you. I didn't take any offense to anything you did. I don't do this job with emotions. I do it with logic.
She was charged with resisting an officer without violence. Share your thoughts in the comments.
In other words, what he's saying is it's not personal, it's just business. That's what he's saying. I like that officer. I like that officer. Very stern. Asked multiple times. She want to do her own thing. Okay, you do your own thing. All right, whatever. Go to jail. Fight it in court. Point blank, period. You're wrong across the board. Across the board, you're wrong. Stuff ain't registered. No license. You got a learner's permit. Come on, you know what a learner's permit is. Like, let's stop acting dumb. Stop acting dumb. You know you ain't got no driver's license. You know you shouldn't be driving. And you keep saying that you a student. You said that about 5 times like anyone gives a fuck. No one gives a fuck. Honestly, no one cares. We're trying to get you with these, get these instructions, get you your ticket or whatever you're going to get and go about your business. But you don't want to listen. You want to listen to the TikTok lawyers. I love this title. That's a great title. I think the officer did a great job. 5 out of 5 from me. He didn't take it personal. It's just business. Okay? Let me know how well you think the officer did in the comment section below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.